Most people study with AI the wrong way. They type random questions, copy answers, and hope it sticks. That's noise, not learning. Here's the trick. Build a simple study map in minutes. Once you map, AI stops spitting trivia and starts acting like your tutor. A study map is just three things: the big ideas in a topic, how they connect, and the gaps you don't understand yet. Scientists use maps like this to solve hard problems, but you can use the same idea for history, biology, business, anything you want to learn. Here's the first prompt. Create a beginner's study map for topic. Show 8 key ideas, how they connect, and 3 gaps I should focus on first. Now, I tested this with AI teaching methods. In seconds, it gave me 8 big ideas, showed how they connect, and flagged 3 gaps to tackle first. That's the point. Instead of random notes, you instantly know where to start. Once you see your gaps, you don't just leave them blank. You use this second prompt. Explain the gap topic in 3 levels: 1 sentence, a short paragraph, and a deeper explanation with an example. That way, you get a quick overview, a medium dive, and a deeper example all in one go. Finally, make your study map a living notebook. Here's the prompt. Here's my current study map on the topic. Mark which gaps I closed, which are still open, and add 2 new questions I should explore next. Now your learning grows week by week. The AI checks your progress, spots what's still weak, and pushes you with new questions. That's momentum. Without a map, AI is random. With a map, learning is structured, gaps are visible, and progress becomes real. That's the difference between wasting time and learning like a scientist. Try it. Pick one topic, run these 3 prompts, and screenshot your map. But here's the danger. If the map itself is wrong, you could be memorizing mistakes. In the next video, I'll show you the reverse map method, how to catch AI when it's confidently wrong and flip it back into your teacher.